Hi guys, welcome back to Bargain Tech. Today I will continue on this RSI only, and I'm going to tell you what I have done here. So actually in the last video I showed you how I executed and I got the results there. But here what is happening there I was buying it at positional buy and sell, right? So profit and loss you might have seen if you watched that till the end, and strategy was very simple: RSI greater than 60 and 40. So I buy at 60 and sell at 640. If the I'm not able to sell at the order is not getting squared at that day, so it is going to square at the end. So I made this function intraday, and I put some conditions like if 9:25 is a date, 15:25, then I am going to exit. So I also did a little bit change of EMA, the price should be greater than EMA. So I'm not done like the comparative analysis, but what I feel like what I added few things here, so I just thought on sharing on that. And first of all, I've executed this, and this is the result. So I'm getting a total profit negative here because it is on the all the stocks. So first thing to understand, all strategy doesn't work on all stocks because of the liquidity issues, because of the nature of the stock. So when you are doing algo trading, same thing is not going to work everywhere. Okay, so that should be clear on this. So how much loss it is on the how much money? So I distributed around 1 lakh rupees on each of the stock, and there were 188 stocks together. So if I see here, so it is around 188, and if I put 20, so it's 1 crore 88 lakhs, right? And how much I have gained here? So our loss is 3 lakh 16,000. Okay, 265. If I say I divide by 188,000 and 0, right? So this is, and if I multiply by 100, so this is 1.68% of the loss, right? This percent I have lost on my total capital. And what is the if there and there is also brokerage charges, because on per there was 70 orders or 30-40 orders I was getting and it took around 3 months of time. So this data is from the 3 months. So let me show you from where I am looking here. So it is from 1/11/2021 to around 1st of 2022 of Feb, right? 1st of Feb. So that is all. And I just showed you like how reports are I'm getting. Like you can see like this art industry. Here I'm getting like the net profit, and here I also put like EMA, what was the EMA value at that point of time. So this all conditions I have put it here. So this in this way you can get all the reports. So like Bsoft, anyone. So Tata Motor was good in this strategy, but I don't know where it is in the list. Maybe somewhere, I think alphabetically it is Tata Motor, TATA, yeah, it is here. So see, it is giving the good return here. So it is working here. So based on that, why it is not the idea was only just to check on the numbers, like for which stocks it is working. So what I did, I made a change in my code here in the last. So I was getting all the positive stocks on which it is worked well, and on which it is not working well. So this all was there. Now you can see it didn't work in the 109 stocks, or not is 109. I think some number might be missing. Okay, not missing. Okay, sequential. Okay, so so these are the stocks in which it failed, and there was a significant drawdown also, but it's an intraday, right? So next I will show you the all the positive stocks on which it worked well. So all positives were there. So you can see the 12,000 profit here, 8,000, 5,000, 15, and so on, right? So this was the update which I thought, like, I made a video earlier, and I thought like putting this, because keeping things empty is not a way I work, and there are also some strategies which I have worked, but I could show you right now. But what I did is, like, see, back testing is a different thing and live testing is a different thing. When you deploy your strategy, then how many checks you have to take care, so some backtracking is required and everything. So right now this is this for this video, and if you like this video, and please like it and share it in the trading community. Thanks for the watching.